So we're going to be checking out this shrine and this water, and then we're going to walk over to another shrine, and then we're going to walk down a little bit. So we're going to check out all kinds of stuff, and this is all on something called that. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are. So right now it's called like Hungry Ghost Month. So they're doing kinds of lots of cool stuff like this. So we'll just kind of see what they're doing a little bit. Let's see. We have, there's like little stuff out there, little circular things. So we're gonna check out a little bit more, but this is pretty cool right there. So I think there might be one on. So we're just gonna walk down this way. And you get to see this is kind of like a little bit of a port area, and we're gonna walk into another area where they're doing more shrines. It's called like Hungry Ghost Month. So and this is part of Macau where I think this is too high over here, and some of the boats can come in this way. So we have this little shrine all set up here. Then we're gonna walk along some Korean and Japanese places, which are right over here. And we're just gonna follow down this way a little ways. And on this particular street we have some Japanese ramen and some Korean places too. So this one is Japanese. This one is kind of cool looking. Really cool looking. So it's like that. I'm gonna keep on walking, and then we have this one is another Japanese one, I believe. So that one is we got those two right there, and we got another Japanese and a Korean one right here. This one. So we have kind of like a little string of restaurants right here, and all these ones, there's a Korean one too. So that's a Korean one. And then we're gonna follow this one over here, and then we have this whole waterfront all the way down there. So it's kind of a cool little space. So let's just keep checking out. Korean one right there. It's called Maya. And this one is fish. They're doing like ancestral stuff right there, so we're gonna walk by some in a minute. So I'll tell you a little bit about that too. But basically that means that they're kind of doing like ancestor respect, basically. So you can see some of them down here. We're gonna walk by that in a minute. Here's another bar right here called Chill Bar. Chill. So it's a chill bar. It's very chill. And right here they have some they're burning like ancestry stuff. Let's just kind of walk around here like this, and now we can see them all right here. So yeah, they're all doing kind of cool stuff in here. Pretty cool. And we got this, and we got this. Chill. So okay, so we're gonna end it there. But basically, let me end it on that note. So basically, what they're doing down here is they're it's like kind of like to the ancestors. So it's Hungry Ghost Month. So let's end it right there.